Welcome to my class, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. Today we will see the integers. Numbers are divided as natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, and integer. You have already know about natural numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Counting numbers. 0 is not a natural number. 0 is not included in the natural numbers. We start the counting from 1. So, natural numbers starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called the natural numbers. Then, by adding 0 to the natural numbers, we form whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. So, natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. 0 is also known as cipher. Another name, cipher. 0 is also known as cipher. This is another name for 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. Then integers. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. In this side -5, etc. up to -infinity. These numbers are called integers. So integers contain negative numbers also. Apart from whole numbers, the negative counting numbers or natural numbers form integers. So from -infinity to +infinity, the whole numbers are called integers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Together are called integers. So integers are directed numbers. They have positive and negative numbers. In many situations, we have to measure the opposite directions, the distance or whatever in the opposite directions. In such cases, we use negative numbers. For example, the height of a place from the sea level is measured in some positive numbers, some plus kilometers. Suppose a hilltop is at a height of 400 kilometers. 400 kilometers from the sea level. This is sea level. The height is started measuring from the sea level. This is sea level. And the depth of the seas, rivers or something underground are measured in the opposite direction, and it is set in negative integers. Suppose the depth of a sea is sea at some place is 4,000 kilometers from the sea level and under the sea, so in the opposite direction. Therefore, it is set -4,000 kilometers. Similarly, the temperature greater than 0 degrees centigrade, the temperature greater than 0 degrees centigrade is measured in plus. For example, a temperature of a human body may be 99 degrees centigrade plus 98.4 degrees centigrade is the exact number. But generally we get 99 degrees centigrade, whatever it may be. This is above 0 degrees centigrade, therefore it is measured as plus. It is written as plus 99 degrees. Whereas the temperature below 0 degrees centigrade, that is the temperature of ice or temperature of frozen substances, or less than 0 degrees centigrade. In such cases, the temperatures are measured in minus 10 degrees centigrade or minus 15 degrees centigrade, like that. The temperature of the mixture of ice and salt is generally minus 15 degrees centigrade. That is a freezing mixture. Like that, different substances are below 0 degrees centigrade and their temperatures are given in minus degrees centigrade. Like that, profit and loss. Profit is measured in plus and loss is measured in minus, negative numbers. Thus, the integers are directed numbers. So, if for a quantity we measure, there is two directions. We measure one direction with the positive integers and the other direction in the negative direction, negative numbers. The representation. Now we represent the integers on a number line. Let this be a number line and take 0 at some point. Then we take the positive integers in this direction from left to right, positive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In the left hand side, we write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. up to minus infinity. Thus, for any number on the number line, the numbers on the right hand side are greater than that number. Or as we go from left to right, the numbers are increasing. So the numbers are in ascending order. As we go from left to right, the numbers on the number line are in ascending order. As we go from right to left, the numbers are in the descending order. Thus we can easily compare the numbers. Suppose there is minus 12 and there is 3 here. So which is greater, minus 12 or 3? Which is greater? As it is 12, it is greater? No, it is minus 12. Therefore, minus 12 is less than 3. 3 is greater. So, among 2 or more numbers, the number which is on the right hand side on the number line is the greatest. So, among minus 12 and 3, 3 is the greater number and minus 12 is the lesser number. So as we go from left to right, the number increases on the number line. So about the integers represent on the number line, we can observe certain things. The first one is, as we go from left to right on the number line, the number increases, the value increases. So number line is this 0, 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the number line. So as we go from left to right, the number increases. That is the first point. Next point, if we add a positive integer to any number on the number line, if we add a positive number to any number on the number line, the result is on the right of the number. Suppose we add something to this minus 1, some positive number, 2, then the result will be on the right side. The result is 1 and it is here, it is on the right side. If we add any positive number to any number on the number line, the result will be on the right hand side. If we add any negative number to any integer on the number line, the result will be on the left hand side. So if we add positive number, the result will be on the right hand side. If we add negative number, the result will be on the left hand side of that number. Next, subtraction. If we subtract from an integer, the result will be, if we subtract a positive number from any number on the number line, the result will be on the left hand side. If we subtract the positive number, the result will be on the left hand side. If we subtract a negative number from any number on the number line, the result will be on the right hand side. For example, take 4 and we will subtract a positive number 2, positive number plus 2. Then the result is 2. So if we subtract a positive number, the result will be on the left hand side. Therefore, this is the result. And 4 is the number we have taken. So it is left hand side. Suppose if we subtract a negative number, the result will be on the right hand side. Subtract negative number, the result will be on the right hand side. This is 4 minus minus 2. Minus of minus plus. Therefore 4 plus 2, 6. 6 will be somewhere here on right hand side of the 4. The sum of two positive integers is a positive integer. Sum of two positive integers is a positive integer. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 and 3 are positive integers. The sum is also a negative. And the sum of two negative integers is a negative integer. This is a negative integer and this is also, we take minus 4. This is a negative integer and this is another negative integer. We are taking this sum. So this is equal to minus 6. So the sum of any two negative numbers is a negative integer. Sum of any two negative integers, 2 or more negative integers is another negative integer. The sum of 2 or more positive integers is a positive integer. The sum of one negative integer and one positive integers, or the sum of some positive integers and the sum of some negative integers may be a positive integer or a negative integer. That depends on the value of the integers we have taken. Next, we see some examples. First one, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order, increasing order. So from smallest to greatest. So among these numbers, the number with the negative numbers, negative sign or less. Among the negative numbers also, the greater number is the least. So minus 8, minus 3, minus 2, minus 12. Among these, minus 12 is the least number. So we will write the least number first. Next least number, minus 12, minus 8. Next minus 3. Next minus 2. Next 6, 7, 10. Next greater number 6. Next greater number 7. Next greater number 10. So the smallest is 12, minus 12 and the greatest is 10. And the order is minus 12, minus 8, minus 3, minus 2, 6, 7, 10. So minus 12 is less than minus 8. Minus 8 is less than minus 3. Minus 3 is less than minus 2. Minus 2 is less than 6. 6 is less than 7. 7 is less than 10. So this is the ascending order of the numbers. Next problem, add 5 to minus 3 and show the addition on the number line. Add 5 to minus 3. So we will draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 5. Here these are minus left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So add 5 to minus 3. So minus 3. This is minus 3. Add 5. If we add a positive number to any integer, it will move right hand side. So for minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. So minus 5 plus 2 plus 5. So 5 numbers. We have to go forward or right hand side 5 digits. So the result is 2. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. So actually we will verify. Plus 5. So 5. Minus 3. Minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2. So this is correct. Like that, to add a number, a positive number to any integer, we will move numbers to far right hand side. If we add negative number to any integer, we will move to the left hand side on the number line. Next example, find the value of 4 plus minus 5, adding a negative integer to an integer. So we will take the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. Here 4, integer 4 is taken and minus 5 is added. So to add a negative integer, we have to move to the left hand side 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So we can see 4 plus or minus minus, plus into minus minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 with negative sign. So minus 5. So we can write them as 86 minus 72 plus 33 plus minus 48. Plus of minus is minus 14. Minus of minus plus 26. Now we will write all the positive numbers first. 86 plus 33 plus 26 minus 72 minus 48 minus 14. Adding all the positive numbers, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 145. Next, adding all the negative signs and keep negative sign. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So 145 minus 134 is equal to 11. So the value of this expression is equal to 11.